Ready?
On me or on me? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Yo, what? So gang, what is up? It's your boy Liz, aka MotoBroo. I'm with the homie Electric Tips. As you can see, he's on the electric dirt bike right now. Let me show you real quick. He's on the electric dirt bike, killing it. Look at him chilling. Well, that thing got some power. But yeah, I'm on the Suron. We're going to a ride out, electric ride out, so it should be fun. So enjoy. All right, gang, this is the start, bro. We got all these one wheels. I'm on my Suron. We got electric dirt bike. It's gonna be fun. Let's get into it. Yo, look at homie. What the hell? Look at the one wheels coming in. Let's go. Yo, that mini bike is so goddamn fast, dude. Yo, so
Yo, we're doing me,
is
but no grass, no dirt.
Is that 72 volt or what's
No, it's 52.
50? How's it so fast?
Vest.
A vest?
Vest controller.
Pretty much, he got NOS.
Yeah, there's only one motor on it too.
Jeez, afterwards, boy.
You pretty much got NOS on that bit. Oh my god, electric tips coming in hot, bro. Yo, god damn. Oh, let's go. Let's get it. I see why you got the pegs now. Let's get it.
Brother, I'm doing a wheelie right now. What's up?
Hey, swag the hand at least, then. Yeah, you swag the hand. Hey, could I race you on like the straightaway? Let's go. So I'm about to hit a race against the little electric pit bike versus my Segway. And we're gonna see who's faster. Pretty sure he is. All right. On me or on me? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Yo, what? Yeah! Bro, what happened? Did it start spinning?
No, I got a little swirly.
Holy bro. Oh my god. Brother, that is freaking ridiculous.
Yeah, just the bumps down here. If I get a straightaway.
Bro, that's crazy. Bro, I thought you're going so fast it starts spinning, dude.
Bumps here.
No, yeah.
There'll be a straight road we can do it again.
Yeah, we'll try to find a straighter road. Look at everyone behind you though. Bro, it's so dope, bro. It's just a Wednesday. Oh, I just seen a Razor dirt bike / electric thing. It's just cool, like it's a Wednesday and we're just chilling on our electric bikes, cruise around. We got all the one wheel boys with us. Look at him. Woo, it's a little bumpy. You gotta get some suspension on that one wheel. You got low power still or?
No, it's all the way through.
It's all fast now?
Yeah.
Who wins, that little blue bike or that?
You can keep this wheel down, probably this.
Damn.
Yeah. This is stupid.
Yeah.
It's not.
Let's go, bro. I can't stop just looking out. It's so damn small, but so powerful.
There's straight roads over here, so.
Yeah. Oh, you said up here there's a straightaway?
Huh?
Up here there's a straightaway?
Yeah.
Ah. Sorry. Little wheelski. Woo, brakes. I feel my brakes getting a little worn down already, dog. Hey, she didn't want your handshake, dog.
Hey, Corona's still out this shit. Stop playing. Stop playing. She didn't want no handshake.
We got the mini bike. The boy's cruising, dude. And the scooter. Electric dirt bike, madness. Yeah. We're going everywhere, dude. All right, we're about to get a little race going. We got 2
40 roll? I'll go when you go. 40 roll. Who else is good? Oh, where's the other guy?
Hey, so yours is 72 volt?
72 volt, 11,000 watt.
And what is yours?
52.
52. 72 versus 52 volt. Let's go. Let's see who got it, brother.
Yep.
mode. Hey, y'all gotta do one more.
Yeah, we gotta go from a roll. I can't go from...
Go right here, roll. Right here, roll. Yep. Look how fast he is. Yo, look at him. Bro, we are flying, dude. Yo, that red one when it hits speed, it's fast. Yeah, holy shit. At first, the blue one just takes off, but eventually the red one just catches it, dog. That was so sick. Yo, they're going again. Oh, car. Sketchy.
That power to weight ratio, bro.
That's what, bro.
I don't know how that blue one is so...
Yeah,
it's like 52 volts, I think, too, so.
But it just takes off like right away. Like the power just hits automatic. Hey, did he get you? Did the red one get you at the end or no?
No, I let off at the end.
As
I was pulling power.
That blue one is too fucking fast, dog. Look at that thing. This thing just takes off. Bro, so I'm gonna show you that red scooter real quick that just raced the blue one. Look how big that battery is, dude. That blue one's a little faster, but even this thing hauls ass, bro. It's so crazy where these electric bikes are going. Like, they're turning like little kids scooter bikes into full-on fast-ass electric bikes. Yo, this shit is so goddamn small.
It's dangerous.
Bro. Oh my God, on your left. Oh, holy shit. Yo, this shit's so sketchy. Oh my God. It's like, dude, I can't even like control the front wheel. Bro, I don't think y'all understand how sketchy this little bike is. The front starts moving back and forth when you haul ass. Oh my God. Woo! Oh my God! Holy frickin' shit, brother! Scariest thing ever. When you start hauling, the front gets a little sketchy and wobbly.
Well, it's not meant to go like that fast.
Did you still keep the legs? Still keep the little legs? You just re-drill? Oh yeah.
Bro, that thing is mind-boggling. Dude, I never want to be on one of those things again. Holy shit. Alrighty gang, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Remember, stay motivated. It's always fun ripping around with the e-bike boys and girls. Stay motivated. Love you gang. Peace.